Welcome to HomePan TriPro, your go-to source for all things kitchen and home. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the GreenPan Paris Pro Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Set, featuring a 10-inch and a 12-inch frying pan. If you're on the lookout for durable, healthy, and high-performing pans, stick around, because this might just be the upgrade your kitchen has been waiting for. GreenPan has carved out a significant niche in the cookware market by prioritizing health and sustainability, and they proudly call themselves the pioneer of healthy ceramic non-stick. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. Their approach means their cookware is designed to be free from any toxic chemicals or persistent pollutants, making them remarkably easy to use and, more importantly, safe for your family. At the heart of the GreenPan Paris Pro set is their proprietary Thermolon ceramic non-stick coating. What sets this apart is its composition. It's manufactured without PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. For those who aren't deeply familiar with these acronyms, these are chemicals and heavy metals that raise significant health concerns. The promise here is that the coating won't blister, peel, or release any harmful fumes, even if you accidentally overheat your pan. This is a massive peace of mind factor for anyone who has ever worried about their cookware releasing toxins during cooking. Now, GreenPan hasn't stopped at just being healthy. They've also focused on making this coating incredibly durable and functional. This particular set features their most advanced grade of Thermolon, which is reinforced with minerals. This reinforcement is key because it makes the surface metal utensil safe. Yes, you heard that right. While it's always good practice to be gentle with your non-stick pans, the ability to use metal utensils without fear of damaging the coating is a significant plus for everyday cooking. Beyond the non-stick surface, the construction of these pans is equally impressive. They feature a durable hard anodized exterior. Hard anodizing is a process that makes aluminum incredibly strong and resistant to scratching. This means these pans are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Furthermore, hard anodized aluminum is an excellent conductor of heat, which is crucial for even cooking results. No more hot spots in the center of your pan while the edges remain undercooked. Let's talk about the feel and handling. The riveted stainless steel handles are designed with ergonomics in mind. They are contoured to provide a relaxed and comfortable grip, which is important when you're flipping pancakes or maneuvering a heavy pan full of food. The riveted design also ensures a strong, secure connection between the handle and the pan, which is a hallmark of quality cookware. The product description highlights that this is a versatile 10-inch and 12-inch fry pan combo, designed to stand up to your daily routine. The pair features that Thermolon healthy ceramic non-stick coating, reinforced with diamonds to make it metal utensil safe and ultra-heat responsive. The hard anodized aluminum construction is noted as being 2 times stronger than stainless steel, which is a bold claim but speaks to the durability they're aiming for. And of course, the emphasis on quick, even heating is a consistent theme. One of the most convenient features for busy home cooks is that these pans are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze. Additionally, they are oven and broiler safe up to a very impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which opens up a world of possibilities for finishing dishes or cooking recipes that require both stovetop and oven time. GreenPan also backs these pans with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you further confidence in your investment. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the primary advantage is undoubtedly the healthy, non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating. The absence of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium is a huge selling point for health-conscious consumers. The durability of the hard anodized construction and the metal utensil safe coating offer practical benefits for everyday cooking. Excellent heat conduction ensures even cooking, and the oven and broiler safety up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit provide great versatility. The dishwasher safe feature is a huge convenience. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few potential cons to consider. While the Thermolon coating is advanced, some users might still prefer the ultra-slippery performance of older generations of traditional non-stick coatings, though the health benefits often outweigh this for many. Longevity of non-stick coatings, even high-quality ones, can vary depending on usage and care. While they are metal utensil safe, using abrasive scrubbers or excessive force can still potentially degrade the coating over time. Finally, the price point for premium ceramic non-stick cookware can sometimes be higher than entry-level options, though the quality and health benefits often justify the investment. In conclusion, the GreenPan Paris Pro Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Frying Pan set is a compelling option for anyone seeking a healthy, durable, and versatile addition to their kitchen. The combination of its non-toxic coating, robust construction, and excellent performance makes it a strong contender in the cookware market. If you value your health, appreciate quality materials, and want pans that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.